Looking for some beautiful Navratri options? Then these are just the glimpses along with menswear.
Hello everyone, Navratri special exhibition is here by Mudrika Lifestyle and Exhibition, all happening at Bohemian Gallery. Collection तो आपको दिख ही रहा है. So what are you waiting for? If you want to check out the collection, swipe left.
Brand House of Samskara. Look at the beautiful hand painted dupatta as well as sari options. कुछ और options देख लेते हैं. Yes ma'am. So hand painted chaniya options भी मिलेंगे आपको with beautiful dupatta. Something for all the white lovers. Beautiful, lovely. Look at that. सारीज के भी ऑप्शंस आपको ऊपर दिख ही रहे हैं सारे के सारे.
ये भी
hand painted sarees, hand painted chanias, something for festivities. House of Samskara. Moving on to beautiful next brand, that is Guru Design Studio. They have come up with menswear, kidswear and something for women as well. Lovely. तो पूरे फैमिली का शॉपिंग यहाँ पे हो सकता है. Beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. जो सर ने पहने हैं वैसे कुर्ता, अगर आपको और ऑप्शंस देखने हैं तो वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. Lovely. Very pretty. This is brand Vinny Malhotra Designs. If you want something similar to what she's wearing, definitely come visit her. Yes ma'am. What more do we have?
Hi, we have similar chaniyas in Chanderi cotton.
Beautiful.
And these are weaved with different tars, that is silver and golden tars.
Okay.
We can pair it with similar handwork dupattas.
Okay.
And we can pair it with different colors of blouses.
Okay.
Let me show you more color options.
Look at that.
This is Banarsi chaniyas.
Beautiful.
So along with the Navratri wear, we also have some wedding and occasion wear.
Lovely. This is brand Anvi Jewelry and they have come up with beautiful lightweight jewelry. उनके पास कश्मीरी का बहुत सुंदर collection है. That itself is very lightweight. Tight chokers हैं. Beautiful German silver jewelry. Look at that. Long में अगर आपको कोई option चाहिए तो वो मिल जाएगा. Something like this in necklaces. Something like this in tight chokers with beautiful options of earrings as well. Look at all the pieces. Long में if you're looking for something. They've specially brought this coin choker along with earrings. Beautiful. So this is brand Naomi Couture. Hello ma'am. Yes. So their entire collection you will find it under 15K.
Yeah, and so many kachi work blouses.
Kachi work के blouse options मिल जाएंगे आपको. Beautiful. Something in spaghetti. Look at that. दुपट्टा की भी बहुत सारी variety है उनके पास. Look at that. Something in contrast.
Multicolor, lightweighted.
चिनॉन में options मिल जाएंगे. Lightweight options हैं. Beautiful. Moving on to next brand, that is Dira. They have come up with their beautiful collection. Hello ma'am. Yes, please show us your collection. So this is pure cotton है पूरा उनका collection. Lovely. Set options if you're looking for. Something in plain mirror work with dupatta जिसमें work किया हुआ है. Look at that. Very pretty. And along with that she has these beautiful blouses. Hello. This is brand Coco by Komal. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Yes. They've got beautiful set options. Yes.
આજે મેં પહેર્યું છે એવી રીતના પણ બ્લાઉઝ દુપટ્ટા તમારે થઈ જશે. કલર ઓપ્શન્સ પણ અવેલેબલ છે.
Lovely.
આવી રીતનો કોર્સેટ પણ બની જશે આપને.
Beautiful.
આમાં કલર ઓપ્શન્સ છે.
Okay. Look at that. Very pretty. Beautiful.
ફુલ્લી એમ્બ્રોઇડર્ડ.
Okay. Lovely.
And something like this.
Wow.
With close neck.
Lovely. This is brand Sia Creations. So if you also want to go dupatta free this Navratri, then this is the right brand. Yes ma'am.
Hello. મારી પાસે આ રીતે છે ગામઠી collection.
They have Gamthi collection. Okay. Beautiful.
Long blouse આ રીતે કઈ.
Long blouse में भी उनके पास options बहुत सुंदर हैं. Lovely.
व्हाइट में अगर गोटा पट्टी का अलग से क्रिएशन किया हुआ है.
Okay. Lovely.
शिबोरी में कुछ ऐसा अलग.
Shibori and a lot of options of blouses. Lovely. This is brand House of Ruria. Hello ma'am. Yes, please show us your collection. Beautiful spaghetti options. Look at that. Lovely.
This is a bandage.
Yes. They have bandage mein options. Beautiful. Look at that. Very pretty color combinations. Something in hot pink. Beautiful. Look at that. Lovely. This is brand Anvay Jewels and they have come up with beautiful anti-tarnish brass jewelry. Everyday के लिए अगर आप पहनना चाहते हो वो कर सकते हो. Festive के लिए, even for Navratri, beautiful rose quartz, amethyst, something like this in beautiful bracelets, rings option, something with delicates, beautiful hairband options, hair accessories, something like this. This is Anvay Jewels, beautiful. So this is brand Tashi's Couture. चनिया चोली के तो options हैं ही उनके पास. They have beautiful dupatta options. Something like this if you're looking for in white. Let's look at some other options. Ombre में options हैं उनके पास.
क्रश कॉटन में है.
Beautiful.
ये पर्पल और इक्कत प्रिंट की बॉर्डर के साथ है.
Okay.
एंड देन सेमी लिनन कॉटन में भी है विथ ब्लाउज के साथ है.
Okay, blouses
और दुपट्टा
हैं.
भी है. जो इसकी जो प्राइस है वो 7500 है.
Okay. And moving on to the next brand that is Kavisha Studio. Hello ma'am.
Hi ma'am.
So उनके पास बहुत सुंदर सेट ऑप्शंस हैं. यस मैम.
इसमें 15 कलर्स अवेलेबल है 20 मीटर फ्लेट के साथ में.
Okay.
मल कॉटन में.
ओके.
लाइक ओमरे में ये भी अवेलेबल है 10 मीटर फ्लेयर के साथ 3 पीसेस.
ओके. दिस इज ब्रांड कविशा स्टूडियो.
सेपरेटली चनियास कलर्स आर अवेलेबल. सेपरेटली ब्लाउजेज अवेलेबल जो आप मिक्स मैच कर सकते हो.
लवली. दिस इज ब्रांड ट्रूबास क्रिएशन. वो बहुत सुंदर सेट ऑप्शंस लेकर आए हैं. समथिंग जो मैम ने पहना है वो भी उनका ही कलेक्शन है. लुक एट दैट. ब्यूटिफुल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ पिंक, येलो, लवली ब्लाउज डिटेलिंग, वेरी प्रिटी. कुछ और पीसेस के ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं. ओके, वेरी प्रिटी. लॉन्ग में अगर कुछ चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएगा. वेरी प्रिटी. विंटेज जैकेट्स के साथ आपको अगर चाहिए तो वो ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. वेरी प्रिटी. लुक एट दैट. This is brand Anaya Jewels and they have come up with beautiful German silver jewelry from earrings, ear cuffs. Beautiful options you're going to find here. हासली में अगर आपको चाहिए, लॉन्ग में अगर आपको चाहिए, tight chokers if you're looking for something, you will find it on this table. Beautiful options not just for Navratri but for wedding, festivities, gifting. Look at that. Statement pieces. Beautiful. Along with that, a huge variety of earrings and statement pieces as well. This is brand Golden Glimpse. Hello ma'am. Okay, let's check out her collection. So beautiful coin detailing के साथ jute tissue. Jute tissue. Wow. Lovely. Look at that.
handmade border.
Very pretty. Lovely. Something different. पूरा very beautifully designed है पूरा. Look at that.
Explain.
Yes, dual tone में if you're looking for something. Lovely. Moving on to the next brand that is Kalatmak Fits. Hello ladies.
My
Yes.
name is Ayushi. My name is Nancy.
So two beautiful pretty ladies have brought beautiful collection. Lovely. Look at that.
Tie-and-dye में दुपट्टा છે and બાટલામાં છોડ-છોડમાં સ્કર્ટ.
Okay, lovely. Some more options in their set pieces. Beautiful.
પછી આ શેડેડમાં છે.
Look at that. This is Bunny Design Studio. Hello sir. They have brought beautiful men's wear. Yes sir. जो सबसे पहले उनने पीस पहना है. Okay. This is beautiful bani. Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful designs. Okay. Very pretty. Beautiful. Lovely. Very pretty. Moving on to some chaniya choli options as well. Very pretty. Look at that. So if you're wearing something like this, you can pair it with your partner. Look at that. So that's a couple look. Very pretty. something in onion pink with beautiful borders. Look at that.